This lesson will introduce you to bars and bar lines in music. Let's remember the staff from Lesson 1A. The music staff is divided in bars. The bar line is what we use to divide the staff into bars. And a bar will then fall between two bar lines. Each bar contains notes. In a single piece of music, every bar contains a group of notes whose values add up and equal a certain number. In this piece, the values of the notes in each bar add up to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 minims will also equal to 4 beats. In this piece, the values of the notes in each bar will add up to 3. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget, our rests also have a count. At the end of a piece, you will find a double bar line. The double bar line tells you that it is the end of the piece. Sometimes, you might come across a bar line with 2 dots that look like this. This is called a repeat sign, and it means you have to repeat the piece from the start or from the closest repeat sign that is facing the opposite direction. Sometimes the first bar in a piece does not have the same number of beats as the other bars in the piece. It is incomplete. This bar is called an anacrusis. The rest of the bar is then found at the end of the piece. So the first beat in the anacrusis with the 3 beats in the last bar give us our whole bar.